Hey, quantitative reasoning students. So we're going to look at the portfolio 6 right now. If we look at it, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this one right here provides us these directions: inductive and deductive reasoning. Now, I've already created this one, so I'm going to explain what I've done. Um, but I can actually do the whole thing over again. But what I'm going to do is, to save a little bit of time, I'm going to go ahead and just copy these, and I'm just going to explain a few things. So copying isn't that hard, right? I mean, it's just a matter of just copying what you see there. So I'm going to assume that you understand how to copy. I do want to make these all bigger, um, so that way it's all good. Let me do that. So I'm resizing it so that everything fits in there. So, and then I want to go ahead and shrink that down. And these are all the things that I did actually in that display. All right. So now I want to go ahead and talk about how to generate these problems. You see that 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And if we continue this for 30 people, right? Just go ahead and continue that down for 30 people. All right. Let me do this. I'm deleting these because these are not necessary. All right, now we don't have that. All right, so what I did again was, for inductive reasoning, all we did was realize the pattern was this plus this equals this. And then this plus this equals that. This plus this equals that. And it works, the pattern works. All right. Now, we're going to go ahead and use another formula for this one. Remember, this is what we want to do is take and draw this down to 30 people, because that's what it says. Draw it down to 30 people. And then if we look up how to do a handshake problem, we can go into a problem like this. Just type in handshake formula. We would get this formula right here. Okay. It's n times n minus 1 all divided by 2. So we can find that formula, and then we can go ahead and put that formula in here. Look at this. So it's this block, all right? And we would go ahead and times that against that same block minus 1, and then divided by 2. And then that would give us our answer. And then see that these are matching up, all right? The 6 is matching with the 6, the 10 is matching with the 10, and all of them the same exact formula. That's a fact-based reasoning system. It's using formulas. So we can draw that down to 30 and get our answer. Okay, so that's how that works. All right. So pretty straightforward. I gave you the power to do that. So you can now go ahead and submit this, because that's all that was required of this particular portfolio, because all it asks you is to complete the spreadsheet below to the row of 30 people. In the group section, you notice the pattern using inductive reasoning. Use that pattern to write the formulas in column B. I did that with you. In the section, class section, you develop the formula for the number of handshakes required. All right. Use the formula in column E. Well, I did that with you. I kind of looked it up. That formula was found in the text, but you can see that you could find it by just simply typing in handshake formula under a Google search. And then that's all this portfolio required. You can go ahead and save it and submit it. That's all that it is.